lately, I'm wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall, it'll fall upon us all. And between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go, and maybe I'll work out a way to make it back someday towards you, to guide you through the darkest of your days. If a great wave shall fall, it'll fall upon us all. When I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. 'Cause if I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my heart, run away with my love. I know now just quite how my life and love might still go on in your heart and your mind. I'll stay with you full of time, and if I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you stars above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. How long will I hold you? As long as your father told you. As long as you can. How long will I give to you? As long as I live through you. However long you say. How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. And longer if I may.
Okay. Lisa.
We're all traveling through time together, every day of our lives.
There was sand in my shoes.
All we can do is do our best to relish this remarkable ride.
Lisa. Right, Missy. Lisa Turrott. Thank you.
And I've lost who I am. I can't understand why my
Lisa.
heart is so broken, rejecting your love without love gone wrong. Lifeless words carry on, but I know, all I know is that the end's beginning. Who I am from the start, take me home to
She's trotted.